In this video, you'll learn the framework to buy the best pro range for the way you cook. Not because a salesperson told you, but what truly is the best for you. Stay to the end to learn whether you should even consider a pro range and some interesting new induction and other high-powered but regular gas ranges, plus the one feature you absolutely need before you even consider a pro range. Let's start with size. Most popular size across the country is 30 inches width. In Pro, 30 inches popular, but so is 36 if you want a larger oven and more than 4 to 5 burners in the top. If you want more than one oven, you can consider a 48 or a 60-inch stove, which will give you 1.5 or 2 full ovens, or not. We'll get back to ovens a bit later. Staying on the top, you have different choices. You can go all burners, or on the larger units, you can choose one of the following. The griddle is a thermostatically controlled piece of metal to what you think only cooks breakfast foods, but in reality can cook anything. Next time you're at a diner, chances are they're cooking on a large griddle. If you live in a cold climate, or if it's raining outside, you can choose a grill. Some of these grills offer the infrared types, which is the same type as the Sear Pro grills from Lynx, DCS, or Heston. So don't let the small size fool you. In the 48 and 60-inch sizes, you can choose single or double grills and griddles. Induction is a popular 2-burner option on many pro gas ranges. We'll get back to induction ranges later, but induction's faster than gas with a better simmer. It's easy to clean because the glass doesn't get as hot as gas or electric. And even my always curious 7-year-old can't turn it on because the magnetic burners need metal to activate. Less popular choices include French tops, which look like a griddle, but it's the opposite. The heat emanates from the center to cook many different types of foods at different temperatures. A sous vide immersion circulator is only offered by one manufacturer and allows you for precision cooking. Add your protein, set your temperature, and it's automatic. All gas is better for roasting with its moisture heat. Broiling is way better, especially with the infrared broilers. Gas is also 10 to 15% less expensive than a dual fuel and only requires a 120 volt 12 amp power versus 240 volt and 30 to 50 amps for dual fuel. However, dual fuel is a drier, more precise heat and better for baking. The convection system is usually better with air blown from the back versus the heating element below and the distributed by the fan. But for Pro, it's not that simple. Almost every manufacturer adds features to the dual fuel like accessory steam and speed ovens, unique convection systems, and guided cooking, just to name a few. So you have an idea of the top and how to choose what style oven. Let's look at the controls. It runs the gamut here as well. Some brands offer basic oven and burner controls. Then you have other brands that can eliminate all the guesswork with their touchscreen interfaces. Lastly, if you want a special color, you can do that as well, but only on a few brands. Now, a few things to consider before you buy a Pro, including the last one, which you absolutely need to consider before buying any professional range. Just know you have 2 other viable options to consider beside a Pro range. If you're looking for a 30-inch range, many regular gas ranges now have 2 high output burners and more functionality than a comparative 30-inch Pro. This GE Cafe also has more output than most Pro ranges. See that griddle in the middle? It's powered by 2 9500 B2 burners. Now, if you want a dual fuel, consider an all induction range. It's faster than the hottest gas Pro range with a better simmer, and they're safer, and you have electric convection cooking. Now for the last consideration, which is what you should worry about first. That is ventilation. If you plan on cooking, and you want all the smoke and grease and carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and formaldehyde pulled out of your house, most vents are wrong, including downdrafts, over-the-range microwaves, ceiling blowers, and most hoods. For proper ventilation, you need a powerful vent with CFM or blower speed of 600 to 1500 CFM. As importantly, you want a depth of 24 inches, so all that stuff is channeled and then pushed or pulled out of your home. Then you need to vent straight up or straight out of your home in a logical fashion. None of this makes sense to you, you can download our ventilation buying guide for all the information needed. So now you have a good idea of what Pro might be good for you. Watch this video about the best Pro ranges, and thanks for watching.